Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. The problem is binary tree zigzag level order traversal. So this is a variation of level order traversal problem, which I've already covered in my previous video. And if you haven't watched it, I suggest you to first watch that video, then come over here to solve this problem. So this is a simple program. So here we are given with a binary tree, and we have to traverse it level order, and the only variation is we have to print this label nodes in zigzag way. So it will be 3, 9, 20, means on the first iteration we'll do left to right, then right to left. So let's quickly dive into the program. So I'm going to write a simple JavaScript function. I'll call it zigzag traversal, and we have an input. So first I'm going to write BFS algorithm, then we'll see the variation. So in BFS, we have a queue with us, and here we have root as a starting node, and we maintain one array where we store the traversal, and we look through this queue till it's not empty. And while doing so, we get the length of queue. Then we store one more array here to store label order elements. And based on the queue length, we run this loop. So we are keeping one more for loop here because we have to store it in a 2D array. Otherwise, this while loop will be sufficient. So in the next for loop, we'll dequeue element from our queue. And in JavaScript, we use shift to dequeue element from an array. And after that, we'll check if node left exists, then we'll push it to queue. Similarly, if node right exists, we'll push it to queue. Also here, we'll push the node value. And after doing so, we have our label order elements. We'll directly push it to answer array. That's how we achieve two-day array. So here we just wrote a program for BFS traversal. Now we have to do some modification in this algorithm in order to achieve binary tree zigzag level order traversal. And for that, first we have to maintain in which level we have to read from left to right and which level we have to read from right to left. So for that, it's either left to right or right to left. So we can maintain one boolean variable, uh, which by default I'll set it true. On the first iteration, it should not be zigzag. So I have to set this to false. That I can do here. So I'll just use negation operator here, which will set true to false or false to true. These all are fine. Only thing is here we have to modify one more thing. So before pushing it to queue, we'll first check if it is a zigzag, then we'll perform something else. Otherwise, we'll do something else. So in case of zigzag, it will be from right to left. In JavaScript, we have a shift and unshift function in it. Whenever we do shift, we delete one element from the beginning, and whenever we do unshift, we insert element in the beginning of the array. In case of zigzag, whenever it iterates and comes here, it will have element 9, and in the next iteration it will have 20. So what we are going to do, first we'll push 9 here, then the next time again we'll push 20. So now in this particular array, the element will be 20 and 9. So that's what we are going to do here. So here I'll do label dot unshift not dot value. Otherwise, if it's not zigzag, we are going to just do a push operation. So this is done, and at the end of the loop, we'll just return our answer. So this was a simple program. If you are not aware with BFS algorithm, this level order traversal, then you can go to the description. I've attached the link of that video. And after following that video, you'll be able to understand what I'm doing here. And it's very easy. It's just a BFS algorithm with a slight variation. And if we talk about the time complexity, it has the same time complexity as BFS. So we are touching each node one times. So the time complexity is order of n. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.